Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. The inside of this car is just insane clean. There's really nothing to pick apart. The center armrest here, the original one is included. It is in the trunk. And the seats look brand new. The steering wheel looks brand new. I mean, this car is so clean inside. Okay guys, this car is just insane clean, but I will show you a couple small little imperfections, and they're all so minor. So starting with the fender right here, we have a rock chip there, right there. We got two of them here, and a small one there. The rest of that fender is absolutely perfect. Looking at the wheel, we have a chip here, there, there and there, small scratch here, and another chip right there. And then along this edge you have a little discoloration, but there's no chip there. The rest of this wheel is perfect. Here on this pillar, the only thing I noticed was this tiny little rock chip on the very edge. And the mirror, this all looks brand new. We do have one little rock chip right there. I've scanned this entire door and I found nothing. Same with this door, quarter panel, and even down here. I'm honestly, you can get as close as you want and I don't see anything. Even down to the edge, we have just very little minor rock impressions in here, but it is so clean. Now looking at this wheel on the right rear, we do have a scratch right there and a couple more, a rock chip, a few little scuffs, a couple more scuffs. A few little rock chips here in the barrel. Another one there and there. And a little nick right there. But overall, still a very clean wheel. I've scanned this whole top section. Nothing. This deck lid looks perfect. I mean, this car is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I'm not finding anything back here, so I'm going to flip the car around and check out the other side. Okay, here on the lower left side of the rear bumper, we can see a small scratch that catches your nail just a little bit. All of this is perfect. Now keep in mind, I could have missed something, but I'm literally inches away before I film this, trying to analyze every little square inch of this car and just try to pick it apart, and it is really just that clean. Got a little gash right here, right there, got a chip here. The rest of this looks really good. Kind of scanned on this lower side, got a tiny little rock chip right there. Two little chips right there, if you could even call those chips. And this whole area looks great. Even looking in here, there's very minor fingernail scuffs. I mean, the handle itself just looks phenomenal. Very minor scuffs right here. And I'm talking barely even feel anything just from getting in and out of the car probably. And those could probably be even polished out. The rest of this looks phenomenal. Coming right here to the very edge of the fender. Edge is pretty much perfect. There's one little rock chip right there, and the rest of this looks really good. Got a scratch right here, a couple little chips, a really light graze right here. I wouldn't say it's a curb rash, it's probably just mounting the tire. Kind of rubbed it just a little bit. Like a little rock chip right there, there, small one right there, there. There's a little rock chip. There's a larger one that has been touched up really well. A couple small ones here. Overall, I mean, that is phenomenal. Maybe 5 or 6 that really are kind of noticeable. Top section of this looks really good. few rock impressions, but really no rock chips that are standing out. There are a couple in there. There's a little one. I mean, of course, you're gonna get a couple here and there, but I mean, there's a little one there, small one right here, but nothing that's really standing out. So out of everything on this car, besides a couple little rock chips, a few little scuffs on the wheels, that tiny little scuff on the bumper, this thing is pretty much mint. If you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.